guys, Mayuka's Crafts here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this easy 2-minute craft container. So it can carry at least this much weight. So it's stronger than you think, and it's just a small container that you can carry around easily. So you don't require any glue or scissors to make this. You just need one A4 size sheet paper. So let's see how to make this. So here's the answer to the previous puzzle. So O represents 7, I represents 6, L represents 1, and N represents 8. So this is the sum written in numbers. So this is the answer. And this is the next puzzle. You're supposed to find out the correct piece that fits in here out of these 3 choices. So let's see who gets the answer. Comment down your answer in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. See you then. Bye.